Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and refresh or regenerate the S3 bucket keys. Now, there are multiple ways of doing it. You can do it manually, you can do it using cURL or using Python. So let's go ahead and take a look at the manual way first. So on the dashboard on the left-hand side, go to Admin and Log Management. So once you click on Log Management, you get the option at the bottom right here to go ahead and click on Regenerate Keys. So if you go ahead and click on Regenerate Keys, and then go ahead and click on Generate Keys, it's going to go ahead and generate the keys for you. It's going to give you the details of the keys basically. So I clicked on Generate Keys. It gives you the data path, the access key, and the secret key. Go ahead and copy these values. And once you go ahead and do that, check this box which says got it. And then go ahead, as it says right here as well, if you want to read it, your keys are ready. Please copy the keys and paste them in a safe place. If you need to regenerate the keys, the existing keys will no longer be usable. That's it. Copy these values and go ahead and say continue. That's it. The keys have been regenerated. Now, how do we do it using cURL? Let's go ahead and check that out. All right, so open up the command prompt and go ahead and paste the cURL command in there. This is something I can provide you in a pinned comment, or maybe you can check it out from my GitHub page as well. Now, the thing is that you go ahead and mention curl-l request, and this is a post request, right? And then you mention the URL IAM/rotate key. This is the resource I'm interested in. Then go ahead and mention authorization just like this. Mention bearer and then the token. You need to mention the token, and the token ends right here, the content type, and then accept application JSON. Once it's done, go ahead and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's going to go ahead and regenerate the keys for you. The old key, the current key ID, the secret, and the rest of the information, the creation date, and so on. So that's it. This is how you go ahead and generate it using cURL. Now you can do the same using Python as well. Let me show you that as well. All right, so the Python script that we're going to use is this. One of the things that you need to fix is the URL right here. So this is not the URL we're going to use. So we're going to go for .com admin and then v2 and then IAM, and then I'm going to mention rotate. Make sure the key is capitalized, rotate key, and that is it. Just make sure that the bearer token is correctly placed. I'm going to paste the new one in here. We're looking good with the bearer token as well. Then what we have is, this is a post. So I'm going to say post. And the rest of the things are looking okay to me. In case I get an error for JSON, I'm going to go ahead and not use that for now. So just say Control Shift and then B. I'm using the Sublime Text Editor, hit enter, and it worked perfect. You got the current key, you got the key creation date, old key, secret access key, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you do it in 3 different ways. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, this would be the best time to go ahead and do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any feedback, go ahead and place it in the comments. I'll be very happy to look into it. You guys have a great time ahead. Goodbye.